Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Global Mindset University Intermedia. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. On today's episode, we're going to start developing a real-world example using an augmented reality application. So, for those of you who haven't yet watched my previous video on augmented reality, I highly encourage you to go ahead and watch it. What is an augmented reality? What are an examples of augmented reality? You can get a lot of details from that video. I'll put on the description. I'll put the link for that video. But in short, augmented reality is just augmenting the reality what you see in our real world. A good example of an augmented reality: if you want to buy a furniture, right? A furniture, you can use your phone, and since using your phone, you can put your furniture in different places in your home, in your scene, and you can try to see what it looks like. That's how you can use augmented reality. There are several kinds of augmented reality. Good examples are like in surgery. You can use augmented reality over there. So, this augmented reality has several benefits. So in the coming few episodes, we're going to learn how we can build augmented reality. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're not gonna miss anything new when it's come. Great! So the platform we're going to use to develop augmented reality is Unity. Unity, which is where you can develop several augmented reality applications. It could be a 2D, 3D, game development. Primarily it's for game development, but we're going to use it for developing augmented reality applications. And this is the first episode. I'll show you behind the scene what it looks like. Augmented reality,
how you set up
place where we can develop.
Unity
this is where we're gonna start
development
here.
platform. So Unity is primarily, when it came, it was for a game development, but you can also build augmented reality, virtual reality, 2D and 3D games, different kinds of games. So today, this is my Unity. I have the Unity Hub, which I downloaded and installed to my MacBook Pro, which I have. Here is an iOS development and an Android as well. So we'll show you a couple of things. So what you can see, this is like the finished part of the development. So that's what I like, what I really like. So you guys can change the setup of your screen whichever you want, your playground scene. So what I have here is the scene. The scene is basically like how many scenes do you have? How many scenes do you have, let's say, in a given development. So you might have, depend on, if you have a game that has 10 level, you will have a 10 scenes. And this, what you see, the game is just a preview of your whatever development you're doing right here. So this is the preview, and that's my portrait view, which is 16:9, actually 9:16, which is 9 is the bottom, which is from here to here, and 16 is from the height of the scale. So that is the scale which I really like it for my development. And another important thing, when you're developing in Unity, I highly encourage to turn on the collaborate, which is, once you turn on the collaborate, what you can do here is you can save. It's like a GitHub repository, so you can commit your work. And also to do that, you just need to go to the collaborate, and you can turn it on over there. So now I haven't yet published anything this one, but it's my just first development, and I'm showing you how we can do that step by step. So that's the play button for you. You can play it and look at it. And here are the scene. What I did, this one is for the project. I changed this one from 2-column layout to a 1-column layout. Let's see what it looks like, the 2-column layout. This is what the 2-column layout looks like. It has the assets, these are the scene. Right now I only have one scene, which is a sample. And then if you go to the package, that's the package. You can see this is just 1 column. I don't want it to have really crowded, so that's why I'm making it this turn this one to a 1 column. This is how it looks like. So if I go to my package from here, so it looks like a little bit cleaner and really visible. But if I want to turn this one to a 2 column, that's how it looks like. So whatever I click here, I can see the result here from the package. Great. So with that, and the other, I think, important thing here is the tally, which is now I put it as a tall, and if you just click this, the 3 menu icon, you can minimize, clock, you can close it and reload as well. Great. So with that, like I said, if you go to window from your menu, and you can go to the general, and if you go directly to services, and that's where you can find these different kinds of, that's my project name, different kinds of services you can add. You can turn on the analytics. Right now I have analytics turn it on. Collaborate, you can have the cloud build. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on. This help you game development really quick and fast. And if you wanna purchase an app, you can turn on right there and find. And multiplayer, this is just actually implementing a multiplayer environment. So that's just a quick tip for you and also for me. So we'll come back with another episode, and we'll continue while I'm progressing in this augmented reality application. This is a real world augmented reality application I'm going to develop for my research here in augmented reality, privacy and security concerns that I'm working with the University of Liverpool. And my name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal from the Global Mindset University, and as well as through media, success coach, and ServiceNow star. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions, comments on the comment section. So don't forget to like, comment, and as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel here. So what you can see right here is the camera, and you can move your scene to different directions. So that's what I have here. That's the camera. As you can see, you can change it to different direction, and this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis. So you have three so I can show you what it looks like. You go to layer and tally, and I can just remove my collab here.
Also,
And
I have a question.
yes, you can change them. Like if you move this one, you are decreasing one in the other. So when you hover over on them, the color will change to yellow. But normally that's what the color they have. And that's your compass. You can change it to different directions. So when you develop game applications, so you will have your scene, different kinds of scenes. So that's just the 3D shape, this way, and that way.
What is that?
So that's the camera view. That's what my camera here. So that's what I see now in my phone. That's like a simulator phone over here, where you can see, so just showing you whatever scene you have there. So whenever I develop, once I start developing and adding more stuff to it, so this view will automatically change. I can click the play button, and we can see it here on the play. Now it's running but has nothing on it, so keep working on it. Alright, so that's all I have, but bear with me. I'll show you how to commit your first code to the environment, which is to the collab, where you can save your work, your development, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you that one. Alright, so what happened here is, if you wanna commit, like I said, okay, I'm gonna stop that. Change this one to. So once you make any development over here, you can just come, for some reason my collab. Okay, yes, collab is on. Now what you can do, if you wanna commit, open the history panel, you can close. Now it's already turned on. So whenever you have, because I don't have any change that I need to commit, so whenever I have any change I have to commit, so this gonna come up to little blue over here, so you can commit your change. Perfect, that's all I have. This is a quick way of showing you what it looks like. And don't forget to make sure your build setup, it could be to Android here, or it could be to iOS development if you are doing that. So if you go to build setup and you come here, you can change it. Right now I'm in Android and I have right there 32-bit. That's everything I have. You want to change it to Xbox or tvOS, iOS, Mac and Linux, WebGL, you can do that by here, and you just need to click when you make a change anything, you can change the setting over there. Perfect. Now it's unable to access Unity service. Please log in or request membership to this project to use this service. That's what it's saying. That's all I have for now.